Today we are going to see the unboxing of Kingston, right? So it is a Kingston 8 GB RAM for upgrading from my laptop. So I have bought this RAM because my laptop was lagging, right? So it was 2 years old, so the speed reduced. So I thought I'll upgrade the RAM. So I have bought it from the Amazon. So let's unbox it. Look like this. Let's see what is the inside. I have sanitized this because of this. Shows like right. Let's safely. Is there anything inside? Is there inside? I'll keep it aside. So the package look like this. Address details, invoice. So it's cost nearly 4,000 rupees. Keep this aside. And it comes with the good package with a wrap on this. I just unbox this also. Let's just see how it looks like, right? Yes, it's good. You can see working install. Right. Memory upgrade, maximize the system performance. I have buy it for system performance itself. Right. And there is a seal, quality seal over here. It looks like this on the side. So there is the details here. The MRP is 6,500, right? The year of import is 2020. It is made in Dublin, right? Headquartered in Taiwan. Yeah, it's good. This also. Tube bracket, I think so, right? Break the seal. It's very nice because when I had a issue with my lab, when I contacted my service provider, it said huge. Yeah, it's like really awesome, very genuine product. Here it is, the box also well packed. You can see here Kingston and the electronic devices, Kingston Technologies, right? So we can do this. We have to break the seal to open this. So this is how it looks like. So really nice premium. I'm happy I got it for 4K. Whether my service provider said me that it will cost me 8K, but I researched and I have